What's up, you guys? I'm back today with another vlog.
Skinny girls wake, them hoes don't compare. Junk in the trunk looking like two pairs.
All I do is stay up all night, losing sleep over you.
So I'm about to take her to the winery. It's one of my favorite places here. That's what we're about to do, okay? Even though it's hot, it's still beautiful outside, and I want to show her around, them around. I keep saying her, my sister, and my niece. What y'all think about this Florida heat?
It's not that bad.
Yeah, it's not that bad.
Okay. Look at the water. The water looks beautiful. All right, y'all. So we're heading out. I'll be back. So real quick, you guys, we're at the car wash. We're about to cool the car down. It's hot. Okay, I got some pollen and stuff over there. I don't want it to get baked in my paint. So, y'all already know how I do. Savannah, is it charging? Love it. What's here? What are you wearing? We love cologne and perfume. That's why I'm so glad that Dossier is sponsoring me. Because I want it all. I feel like the Little Mermaid. I want it all. I want it all. You guys, one day when I have the time, I'm going to go wipe down all my perfumes and stuff, and I'm going to do a perfume collection. Because I have a lot. Okay? Alright, so we almost through. Let's head out. Ooh. Wow, it cooled the car down like at least 5 degrees. Look at that 10. Look, now the thing is on 90. Look how much it cooled the car down. His back is hurting, poor baby. What? You're burning?
I feel like me in hell.
Don't say that. Girl. Thank you. Oh, yeah. Inside?
It's hot.
We're gonna go in front of the fan. You wanna try it? Okay. Hey. Thank you. Ooh, it's hot.
Here we go, guys. Y'all
Thank you. What do you think? Okay?
Yeah. It's really cute.
So we're here at Keels, the winery. Let me show you guys what the menu looks like. I know you guys love to see the menu. So what are we gonna get? I have no idea. Oh, they don't have the strawberry bruschetta? I love that.
That watermelon thing they had in there. It's like, I think it's watermelon blush.
Really?
Something like that. It looks good. Yeah, I love watermelon.
Me too.
This is salad usually good.
I get the Caesar.
Hello.
Hey,
How are y'all doing?
good answer. Thank you.
You want the strawberries and stuff in it?
My name's Jennifer.
All right, y'all. So I'm doing a wine and cider flight. So we're gonna try. We gotta pick out what we want. So I definitely want to try that butter beer. She said it tastes like butter beer. Don't mind my handwriting, y'all. This table has like divots in it. And what else she said? Oh, the watermelon.
Yeah, definitely watermelon.
Definitely the watermelon.
Oh, these are the ciders
And then,
down
yeah. And then what else?
there? Mango.
Mango. Mango. I love the strawberry lime.
Maybe pineapple.
And wait, where's the ale?
Oh, these are ales?
No, ciders and ale.
Okay.
Let's try the... No, you know what? We can do all cider. Let's do the elderberry is really good. Let's do that.
They said 5.
And it's good for you.
Yeah.
Alright, so this is what we're going to be trying for our flight. Gotta hydrate. What can we say? Hydrate. Water fuels the soul. So you guys, first off, I have to taste this butterbeer. Y'all know I love Harry Potter. Oh! It tastes like cider mixed with like a Werther's in it. Mmm. Mmm. Babe, taste this one. Oh. Oh, that is nice. Okay. Next is watermelon. That's good too. Mmm. Mm-hmm. Mango. They're all good. Strawberry lime. Oh. Thank you. Elderberry was always my favorite. That elderberry is so good. Mmm. So good. So here's our appetizers. I got the pretzel bites, the grilled cheese. Brianna got the queso. Yum yum. Grilled cheese. Now let's try it with the mustard. Got Ronnie hot out here, y'all. Heat's good for you. Ronnie is burning up. I'm not even sweating right now. And I have makeup on.
I'm barely.
You're not sweating either.
I think it would have been gone.
You don't have any makeup on? I have makeup on.
I'm holding the sweat down right now. That's why I'm not sweating. I'm fighting the sweat.
I'm trying to figure out which cider I like the best. It's between the butterbeer and the elderberry. This butterbeer, okay, starting to sneak up on me a little bit. This butterbeer is so good. The elderberry. I can't decide. Oh, I'm like, what is that? She getting the water off the top. Ooh, Bree.
Too hot, girl. Oh my god.
You guys want to go
Strawberry
inside?
blush. Okay, Bree. What's up, Bree?
It's too cold.
I don't know, y'all. 2 down.
Girl.
Okay, the food ain't even get here
We're
yet.
about to go home and sleep after this.
2 down.
No, we have to finish our day.
Ooh, yum. My food's here.
Ooh, look how big that is. Right here, Barry.
Yeah, I got the Caesar.
Oh, lovely. Thank you so
Oh,
much.
that looks good, Bree.
Oh, yeah. Spinach.
Okay.
That's
Thank
amazing.
you. Ooh, so good. They have the best Caesar dressing.
Let me move your hands
Sorry,
on
boo.
the
Get the
phone.
white. Ooh, hold on.
I did the smash, yeah.
Mine is the chicken.
Wait, no, what you got?
Oh, it's a cute sandwich. You get fries.
Yum.
Okay.
Look at that.
Wow.
Black and blue? Me. Thank you.
These fries are good too.
Their fries are so good. Look, you guys, I did the black and blue burger and the Caesar salad. They have the best salad dressing. She did the chicken berry, yum. Savannah got the grilled chicken. Ronnie got the smash burger. Yeah, this is definitely my favorite thing here. Their Caesar dressing is so bomb. Oh my gosh, it's so good. You didn't even get the Caesar. What's the dressing? Girl, you gotta try this. You have to try the Caesar dressing. It's the best ever. So good. Huh?
It's your boy Jig, holla at me. I'm on YouTube, y'all.
Oh my gosh. This has blue cheese in it. Stuffed blue cheese. What? We are done, y'all. Let's roll out. Oh, you finished your glass of wine. I gotta work on these. 3. Go ahead, Brianna, take one. Do the strawberry.
Mango?
I thought you didn't like the mango. Do the strawberry.
I like that one. Yeah, that's right.
Alright, now I'm down to 2. Alright, we're out. And it rolls.